Welcome to English for Speaking Practice.
Jacob, I have another problem.
Tell me, Emma. I'm listening.
I translate every sentence in my head before speaking.
Ah, that is very common.
It makes me slow.
Yes, translation slows the mind.
I want to speak fast like others.
You will, step by step.
But how do I stop translating?
You train your brain to think directly in English.
That sounds hard.
It's not hard, it just takes practice.
What kind of practice?
Daily English thinking practice.
English thinking?
Yes, thinking small thoughts in English.
Like what?
Like, I am walking. I am eating. I am studying.
Oh, simple thoughts.
Exactly.
But I keep translating from my language.
That's because your brain feels safer with your first language.
Safe. Yes.
We will teach your brain that English is safe too.
How do we do that?
One small sentence at a time.
That feels possible.
Good. Let's start now.
Okay,
What are you doing right now?
I am talking to you.
Good. Did you translate?
A little.
Next time, try not to.
I will try.
Now describe your feelings.
I feel nervous and excited.
Beautiful.
I didn't translate excited.
That's progress.
I am trying to think directly.
And you're doing it.
But long sentences are difficult.
Long sentences take time. Start with short ones.
I always want to speak perfectly.
Perfection causes translation.
Really?
Yes, when you fear mistakes, you translate everything.
That's true. I hate mistakes.
Mistakes help you grow.
I'm slowly learning that.
Good. Now let's practice real thinking.
Okay, I'm ready.
Close your eyes.
Okay, they're closed.
Imagine your room.
I can see it.
Now say what you see in English only.
Bed, pillow, window,
Great. Keep going.
books, desk, lamp.
That was fast.
I didn't translate those words.
Exactly. You were thinking in English.
That felt good.
Your brain knows more English than you think.
But sometimes words disappear.
That's normal. Just describe.
Describe the missing word?
Yes, like the thing you sit on for chair.
Okay.
Ready for the next exercise?
Yes.
Tell me your day in English, but without thinking too much.
I woke up.
Good.
I made coffee.
Great.
I checked my phone.
Don't translate, describe.
I looked at messages.
Perfect.
Then I got ready for the day.
Nice flow.
I didn't translate got ready.
That's the goal.
This feels new and exciting.
You are building an English thinking habit.
I hope I can continue.
You will. I'll help you.
Sometimes I think in English, but answer in my language.
That's your old habit.
How do I break it?
You speak small English thoughts out loud.
Out loud?
Yes, when you speak out loud, your brain learns faster.
I will try that.
Now, think of food.
Food?
Yes. Tell me what comes to your mind.
Bread? Eggs? Fruit? Milk?
Very good,
I didn't translate any of those.
because they are common in your mind.
True.
Let's try something harder.
Harder?
Tell me how you feel when you study English.
I feel scared.
Good.
I feel curious.
Great.
I feel proud sometimes.
You should feel proud more often.
I'm getting emotional.
It's okay. You're doing something brave.
Thinking in English feels like a big change.
Big changes start with small steps.
Thank you for guiding me.
Anytime.
Can we practice direct thinking every day?
Yes, every single day.
That makes me feel hopeful.
Hope is powerful.
Sometimes I dream in English.
That means your brain is adjusting.
Really?
Yes, dreaming in a new language is a big milestone.
I feel proud now.
Good. You deserve that feeling.
Do you think I will speak fluently?
You are already on the path.
Sometimes I doubt myself.
I don't doubt you.
Your trust gives me courage.
That's why I'm here.
I want to stop translating forever.
It will happen slowly.
How slowly?
Like sunrise. You don't notice it at first. Then suddenly, the world is bright.
That's beautiful.
And true.
So one day I'll think naturally in English.
Yes, without effort.
I can't wait for that day.
It's coming. I can see it.
Really?
Yes, you're improving every moment.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence grows with practice.
Can I share one thought?
Sure.
Today, I thought in English for a few seconds.
That's amazing.
It was small, but it happened.
Small steps create big success.
Thank you, Jacob.
You're learning with heart,
I'll keep practicing.
and I'll keep supporting you.
I feel strong now.
Good.
I won't give up.
That's the spirit.
Let's practice more tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow we continue.
Thank you for everything.
I'm proud of you, Emma.
I'm proud of myself too.
Jacob, I need to tell you something.
I'm here, Emma. Tell me.
I make a lot of grammar mistakes.
That's okay. Everyone does.
Not like me.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
Really?
Yes, every single day.
But my mistakes are big.
They only feel big to you.
I get embarrassed.
Mistakes are signs of learning.
I know, but still, it feels bad.
Feelings are normal.
I try to speak correctly.
That's good, but don't let fear stop you.
Fear is always there.
Then we will reduce it together
How?
by practicing slowly.
Slowly?
Yes, slow practice makes strong grammar.
I always rush.
Rushing creates mistakes.
I want to be perfect.
Perfection comes after practice, not before.
That makes sense.
Tell me one sentence you're scared of.
I am learning English since 2 years.
Good try.
But it's wrong.
Yes, but only one part.
One part?
You should say, I have been learning English for 2 years.
4? Not since?
Yes, for shows duration.
I always mix them.
Many people do.
Why is grammar so confusing?
Because English has many patterns.
Patterns?
Yes, and you learn them slowly.
But I want to speak correctly now.
You will speak correctly later. Right now, focus on communicating.
Communication first, grammar later?
Exactly.
But people will laugh.
Good people never laugh.
And bad people?
Ignore them. They don't matter.
Sometimes I say, he go to school.
That's okay.
But it's wrong.
Yes, but the meaning is clear.
I know, but I want to stop that mistake.
Then practice the right pattern.
What pattern?
He goes. She goes. It goes.
Third person S?
Yes.
I always forget the S.
Over time, you won't forget.
Really?
Yes. You'll say it naturally one day.
I hope so.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Tell me a sentence with she.
She walk?
Try again.
She walks to work.
Perfect.
That felt good.
See? You can do it.
But sometimes I mix tenses.
Everyone mixes tenses.
Yesterday I said I go there yesterday.
Very common.
I felt embarrassed.
Don't be. You just need the past form.
I went there yesterday?
Exactly.
Went, not go.
Yes.
My mind confuses present and past.
That means you're thinking too fast.
Too fast?
Yes. Slow your mind.
I'll try.
Make one past sentence now.
I cooked dinner last night.
Great job.
That was easy.
See? You know the rules.
But under pressure, I forget.
Pressure makes grammar disappear.
Why?
Because your brain focuses on fear, not sentences.
That's true.
So, speak calmly.
Calm helps grammar?
Yes, a calm mind remembers rules.
I didn't know that.
Try a future sentence.
I will meet my friend tomorrow.
Excellent.
I didn't translate.
That's true progress.
Jacob, sometimes people correct me,
Corrections are not attacks.
but I feel small.
You are not small.
I feel like a child learning again.
Every learner starts as a beginner,
I guess.
and beginners grow fastest.
That makes me happy.
Good.
Can you tell me why my grammar is weak?
It's not weak. It's growing.
Growing?
Yes, like a plant. You can't see growth every day, but it's growing
That sounds beautiful.
because your effort is beautiful.
Thank you.
Don't thank me. You're doing the work.
I want to improve faster.
Then speak more.
More speaking?
Yes, grammar improves when you use it.
Not from books?
Books help, but speaking makes rules natural,
Natural. I want that.
and you'll get it.
Sometimes I get confused between do and does.
Very normal.
Can you explain?
Do is for I, you, we, they.
And does?
For he, she, it.
Oh.
Make one sentence with do.
Do they like music?
Perfect.
And with does?
Try.
Does he play guitar?
Excellent.
That felt easy.
Because you relaxed.
Relaxing helps everything.
It really does.
Jacob,
Yes?
I will ever speak without mistakes?
Some mistakes will stay,
Oh.
but they will become small and rare.
Small mistakes are okay.
Yes, communication will become smooth,
I want smooth English.
and you will have it
Do you believe in me?
completely.
That gives me courage.
You're doing something brave every day,
I will keep practicing grammar.
and I will help you.
Practice makes perfect?
Practice makes progress,
I like that better.
because it's true.
Thank you for supporting me.
Always, Emma.
I feel stronger now.
You are strong.
Let's practice again tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow we continue.
I'm proud of myself.
And I'm proud of you too.